Esra, what do you think about today's match?
Courtney, I wasn't here that.
What?
I missed that.
Okay.
You did very well. You played good. It was like.
How about the cheerleaders? They're perfect. Okay.
Courtney, it's my camera.
Your camera? Hey, what the fuck do you think about today's match?
Tonight's match?
Today's match.
It was a great one.
What?
It was great. Even though we didn't win.
Ja, aber es ist doch schon zweite Halbzeit. Das ist 10 Minuten.
So, you're a sucky player.
I know.
Why do you suck today? Can you tell me? Can you explain me?
Because he's a good sucker.
I know you suck, but can you explain me why?
Let me think. Because you suck, I suck.
No. Okay. Sonia? Can you tell me how did it feels to be a winning cheerleader?
Well, we're not winning yet, but it actually felt awesome because it worked quite well and we had so much fun and we had a really good time. And now it's finally over, no training anymore, we can drink beer, it's perfect.
So you haven't been drinking beer for the trainings? Like for 2 weeks or what?
Like
because I saw you drinking.
No! It's like every night we had training at 6 to 7 and then like for 2, 3, 4 hours and then you're just showering and going to bed because you're so exhausted.
Yeah.
I'm ready!
But because you're gonna win, it's the training is not.
We don't know yet.
I believe, I have a feeling, so.
I'm happy you believe that, but you had a feeling that you're gonna win as well, so I'm not really trusting that anymore.
I didn't have a feeling.
You told me! You're like, I had a feeling that we're gonna win today, and
Okay.
you're gonna win as well. That's
Don't
what
trust
you
my
told me
feeling,
today.
okay.
That's what you told me.
Don't trust my feeling anyway. Okay? Cheney, how did it feel to lose a match with your boyfriend playing?
Don't worry, you can play well next time.
Do you know your boyfriend sucks?
아 진짜? I didn't know. You also know. 알았어?
He sucks what?
He sucks in playing soccer. He didn't manage to score 1 goal.
But you didn't either.
Yeah, he was a striker anyway.
Yeah, so what?
Okay. Anyway, is there anything you want to say?
I didn't manage to score a goal as well, but nobody's blaming me.
Okay. Peace.
You know you're stuck to yourself, ready?
Okay. There is a beautiful Turkish German girl. I really want to marry her, but she says no 50 times.
You
so
never asked me.
I'm never gonna ask her anymore. So.
You never asked me.
So.
I say yes.
What do you say about today's match and today's cheerleading competition?
Well, the match, actually I think like all of you guys did your very best, but maybe it was not enough, maybe you had a bad day, but it's okay. Anyway, you played as a team, you had fun and we had fun, and cheering for you was also really nice, and the competition actually, I'm a little bit excited.
Do you think do you have a feeling that you're gonna win this competition or what?
Actually, I don't have any feeling because I like all of the teams. Like somehow I like all of them, except the Vietnamese. No, they were so cute.
They're gonna watch it in this video, you know
I'm
that.
kidding.
Okay.
And I said that before you said that. Okay. No, all of them were really, really cute, and it doesn't matter who's winning or losing, I don't care. I think we had a lot of fun, and thanks to the sponsors, to all of the sponsors.
Yeah, and thanks to me to have this video, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Osman, the girl you love is over here, and she said that she has a feeling that you're gonna win. So what about you?
Yeah, I hope so.
You hope what?
Girls did the job and the boys didn't.
Are you disappointed by the guys?
Yeah, sure.
Who makes especially? Can you mention a name?
The whole team, man. The whole team.
The whole.
Sure.
Especially he sucks. He actually sucks.
Big time.
Yeah. Okay. Next, we're gonna have interview from. We're gonna have interview from the goalkeeper who was performing well.
No comment.
Can you say something?
No.
Can you say something?
Not at all.
Not at all. So shall I pass? Okay. Masha?
Hello.
I know if your boyfriend boyfriend was playing, I have a really feeling that we're gonna win, but unfortunately he didn't play, and we lost. What are you feeling right now?
Disappointment and sadness, of course, but shit happens, you know. It was still very good and very enjoyable.
Okay, what do you think about the cheerleading competition? You're gonna win. Okay, can I zoom it? Champion. Okay.
I don't know. I hope so.